difference. So let's talk about lease option. So what is a lease option? A lease option is, so basically an option gives you the right to exercise a privilege. The right, the freedom, the opportunity, okay, to do it, but not the obligation. So this is where an option is very different than a lot of other techniques, right? Because you have the potential to buy it, not the obligation to buy it, okay? It's what we call control without ownership, right? What's that one? Can I control it? Number 2. And all money in real estate is made by controlling property. You don't have to own it to control it, but you have to control it to make the profit. Okay? So that's, but lease options are only control without the ownership.